Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode. I've tried my hand at stuffed chicken using cream cheese and asparagus, so why not try stuffed trout using cream cheese, Parmesan, and spinach? If you're interested, stay tuned. Using a mixing bowl, combine the room temperature cream cheese, the spinach, squeezing out any excess water before adding, shredded Parmesan, minced garlic, and a couple shakes of black pepper and salt. Give this a good mix until it's all combined to a creamy dip consistency. Now onto the fish fillets. Taking a large strip of trout, I've divided it into 4 pieces and removed the skin. So we're going to sprinkle on some black pepper, using half a tablespoon of olive oil, pour this onto each strip. Using 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, pour this onto each strip as well. Then rub into the mixture and flip the fillet. Now add a pinch of salt to this side, and then go ahead and add the black pepper, a half a tablespoon of olive oil, one tablespoon of lemon juice, and rub this in. Once that's done, cut a slit into each fillet about halfway through. Then, depending on the size of your fillet, use 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of the spinach dip and stuff the trout. Over medium-high heat, add the remaining olive oil and butter to the pan. Add the trout and fry until golden, about 6 minutes depending on the thickness of the trout. Then flip and cook on the other side. Cover with a lid and continue cooking for another 2 minutes if needed until thoroughly cooked. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And give this a mix. Then your sauce is all ready. Add the garlic butter sauce over your completed dish. And enjoy! Alright guys, that's a wrap on this recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're interested in more, head on over to my channel where you can get the latest and greatest. Until next time, I'll see you in the kitchen.